Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I'm going to show you a new project called WC Miner. And actually I've been watching this project for a couple of weeks because it's not completely new, to be honest. Let me show you guys. As of right now it's 32 days old and I've been observing the development of the contract and the investment, the contract value, total locked value, as you can see here. And as of right now, we have 390K, almost 391K. And the important fact about this, do I like it or do I not like it? First of all, I like it, as you might know, guys. I don't like the normal miners, where you put your investment in the contract and it's locked in the contract and you can't get it out anymore just by getting your rewards if you're lucky. Yeah. Okay. So what I like about this one is here, minimum investment 50 BUSD. And you can unstake and get your initial back anytime you want. Okay, that's one positive point. The another positive point is the project has been reviewed by George Stamp, overscore 83. And yeah, actually let me show you the very short, guys. This smart contract is fairly complex and has no flexibility by the owner. Once deployed, it is set, so they can't change it anymore. Yeah. And considering the complexity of the contract, at the end of the day, this is still an ROI DApp. Okay, ROI DApp is like the usual miners. It means that relies on funds invested to pay out existing users. That means you invest now and there should be new users coming in this project after you, and the deposits of the new users will pay your rewards, guys. Okay, so that's what it basically is. But yeah, that's how it works, guys. So let me show you the development of the contract. It has been going up, as you can see here. The contract balance has been going up and it's somehow more or less stable. I mean, it's not going up crazy right now, but it's almost 400K right now. And how does it work? It's pretty easy. You invest, for example, let's say 100 BUSD, you approve, then you click stake, then you have it here. Dividends from day 1 to 20, you get 3.5%. Day 20 to 30, 4.5%. 30 to 40, 5.5%, day 40 to 50, 6.5%, and after day 50, if it's still there, guys, if they don't rug pull, if they still are able to get new investors in to pay your dividends, then you will get 8.5% daily, which is crazy. And the unstake fees, as you can see here, from day 1 to 10, 20, day 10 to 20, 18%, day 20 to 30, 15%, day 30 to however, how long will it work? We don't know. From day 30 to infinity, 12%, guys, 12%. So, yeah, this is actually how it works. I mean, it's pretty easy, guys, pretty easy. Let me show you, for example, you invest 100K, but yeah, there's a deposit fee of 10%. Imagine, guys, imagine if you would have invested yesterday, if you would have taken a short on FTX, let's say you invest 1K, 10x leverage, it means you have a 10K position, and they lost like the value of FTX went down 30%. That means you would have made 3K overnight, yeah, if you would have taken a short in FTX yesterday, guys. And I guess there's more downside potential for FTX because they have a lot of problems going on in the background. But as always, guys, no financial advice. But FTX, it doesn't look good. Okay, so let me show you here. If you would invest 1K here after, let's say, 30 days. Initial stake $900, and after 1 month, after 30 days, you would have dividends 1,534. So daily earnings of $49.50. So yeah, that's how it works. And actually, as you can see, I mean, the contract is somewhat stable. It's not getting drained right now, but you never know. I mean, maybe this is the peak and we have a curve going down like this, but we never know, guys. So as always, guys, investments in a project like this, it's always going to be risky, yeah? High risk, high reward, guys. High risk, high reward, always keep that in mind. And never ever invest in an amount that would make you completely go crazy and you don't know how to buy any food and how to pay your rent and how to do whatever, guys, okay? So always keep this in mind. And yes, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to show those projects, guys, okay? Always do your own research before investing in any of those projects, guys, okay? So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.